Winter bass don't move, so we go finesse. And in Japan, the number one winter finesse rig is the drop shot. Winter is just around the corner, so today we are getting ready with a drop shot session. Hello, this is Angler Waki, a Japanese fishing enthusiast living in the United States. Winter is just around the corner, and for Japanese anglers, the first finesse rig we reach for is the drop shot rig. For me, in winter, the drop shot and the Neko rig are the two kings of finesse. What lure should we use? Honestly, winter is slow, so trust matters more than variety. With fewer bites than the warm season, patience is everything. Stick with your confidence bait, because even a little doubt can push away a precious winter bite. Alright, let's watch the fishing footage. Drop shot rig. Okay. Just stay. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Come on. Shake. Jackall Cross Tail Shad. I believe this is the first soft plastic Jackall produced. Unfortunately, this product is discontinued. But this one is a great worm for a drop shot rig. If you find this on the shelves, I'd recommend you grab them right away. This is kinda hidden gem from Japan. Very good finesse lure. Whew. .116 ounce weight I'm using. 116, 1.8. That's kind of standard for me for a finesse drop shot setting. When I fish a small place, a small pond, 116.4, 132, such a super lightweight, also an option to me. But this lake water is deep, then at least 116 ounce. So, the conditions today weren't actually bad, but the bite was really tough. The water is super clear, the water temperature dropped, and even the birds are kind of quiet. Moments like this can really shake our confidence, right? But winter fishing is all about believing in that one bite and just sticking with it. I see the baitfish schools around there. So I believe I have a chance. There are huge rocks in the water. I hope the bass hide around that rocks. Come on, come on, come on. The water is clear, and the temperature is okay and not that cold. I just need a bite. Come on, come on, come on. Calm winds, a nice weather, baitfish schools. All the conditions I want are here. The only missing item is a bite. Come on, fish. Okay. 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 Come on. Wash. Okay. Haha. Drop shot rig. Jackall Cross Tail Shad. Wow. Perfect. Freaking perfect. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes! So, in the end, I managed to catch one fish today. Not a giant, but definitely a good one. And honestly, I was really happy about it. From here on, the conditions will change a lot, and the results can swing pretty hard because of that. To be honest, most days are going to be tough. That's the kind of season we are heading into. But patience is everything in winter. Believing in that one bite, let's stick with our confidence weights, and we'll get through this season together! Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up! Share this channel with your fishing pals, and make sure to subscribe for more fishing content! See you in the next video! Bye bye!